You have so much energy. That's why I'm asking.
We're planning to go under the this lights, but unfortunately we didn't go on this side.
It's okay, this one. Oh, next time na
You
lang.
have
Next
so
time.
much energy. That's why I'm asking.
I woke up like 5:30, 5 o'clock, and I cook for my kids breakfast, drop him in the school, and then this one, bebe. Ito na.
Ay, ang ganda. No?
Lights on.
Parang ano dito, Christmas lagi ah. Wow.
This lights is for Christmas or no?
Every day though.
Every day. Is
Every
there use normal decoration?
What happens here during the Christmas? Nothing.
Nothing.
Nothing happens.
Yeah. When you see the like Christmas lights in the house of the locals, dog, someone is getting married.
Okay.
It's a celebration, like a wedding. And they put it like these lights for 1 week.
Se você vê um
They put these lights for 1 week.